Hi there, as usual it's me, just a voiceover. You're watching Review Machines, and today we have for the review the newest 2x2 electric scooter Mukuta 10 Plus. Firstly, I should say it's not only looks awesome, but also it has an impressive power and range. Today we are going to make all the crucial tests of this scooter and look at the construction. But before that, please consider subscribing our channel, my friends, it's really important for us, thank you. Alright, let's look at the design. Usually, big scooters all look kinda the same, but this time, Makuta's designers made their best to find new solutions in exterior. They think looks awesome, like some kind of predator insect ready to pounce. Every detail fits the vibe. The deck, the stem, even the fenders have this sleek integrated look. And the build quality? Solid paint, no cheap plastics, premium stuff. So what do you think of Makuta's look? Drop a comment below, please. Mukuta has a rugged aluminum frame and a grippy deck, but the real magic underneath, it's packing 60 volt Samsung lithium battery, 26.5 Ah capacity and two 1400 watts motors. That's 2800 watts total for insane acceleration. 10-inch all-terrain tires. And check this, hydraulic brakes with electronic assist for smooth stops even at full throttle. And here we have an interesting feature, fully adjustable quad suspension. You can adjust it for your weight up to 150 kilos, and those long travel shocks are ready even for off-road rides. The scooter turns on with NFC tech. Super handy, especially in the city. The screen is big with cool graphics, but brightness might struggle in direct sunlight. Controls are simple. On the left, buttons for the horn and all-wheel drive mode. On the right, the throttle and motor power settings. The jack has sleek built-in lighting, classy and stylish. It works as brake lights and turn signals. And let's not forget the dual-lens headlight. Serious respect for its brightness. The deck size 50 cm long, 25 cm wide. The stem folds down, just like the handlebars. It's not exactly lightweight, 34 kilos, but still manageable. Well, we've covered all the main specs of the scooter, and now we are ready to begin our tests, and today we even have a pro rider for that purpose. Let's go!
Будешь так. Вообще, да.
Starting on asphalt, let's see how Mukuta handles smooth pavement. The manufacturer says this model is for advanced riders, which is why we brought our Rider Max. But beginners can't handle it in lower modes, just don't forget safety gear. We are going straight to mode 3, all-wheel drive, full throttle. And the Mukuta delivers all 28 watts of power. The acceleration is punchy, not actually Dualtron level, but seriously quick. On the move it's stable and hold its line, but don't expect silence, the front tires are noisy on pavement. The deck is nice and wide, giving you plenty of room to position your feet however you like. The rubber surface keeps them firmly in place. The suspension kinematics are really good. This scooter stays planted, no matter how hard Max pushes it. But don't try this in real life, it's pretty risky. We're only doing this for testing purposes, but the Mukuta definitely passes the stability test. As for braking, the hydraulics bite hard, and the electronic assist for a smooth stop. Let's check the top speed. Testing in Mode 3, all-wheel drive, with the battery around 70%. Sure, there are probably hidden engineering modes to push it even faster, but do you really need that on scooter like this? Not in my opinion. Even stock, the Mukuta hits over 70 km per hour. How much faster do you need? Now let's hit the dirt. This spot is a forest trail, mostly flat but packed with roots, and here Mukuta truly shines. Honestly, these conditions are perfect for this scooter, with high ground clearance, quad suspension soaking up bumps, aggressive tires gripping the terrain, and dual motors delivering endless power. It's a beast off-road. Plus, stock IPX6 water resistance means you can rip through pedals and rain, no problem. On dry dirt, Mukuta feels rock solid, thanks mostly to its suspension. Remember, we've got dual springs per wheel and plenty of travel, so roots and holes get smoothed out without sacrificing control. And now time for the final test, the range. Let's see how far this beast can go. And this is a range test. Mukuta now is fully charged. It took about 8 hours. GPS tracker on, let's roll! The test conditions are: rear-wheel drive only, front motor off. Mode 2, we are cruising at 35-40 km per hour. Rider weight is 98 kilos. The weather is fine, clear, it's light wind. And after pushing it to the limit, Mukuta covered over 53 kilometers on a single charge. Not bad at all. Well, and now it's time to sum up our review. Mukuta 10 Plus, it's a premium all-wheel drive beast, sleek design, killer suspension, and good power. The only drawback, we would love a brighter display. Now the big question, the price. It costs about $1,300 at the time of filming. Check the link in the description. Well, let's call it a day, my friends. Thanks for having a ride with us. Please post your comments what you think of this scooter. Consider watching another hour video about similar device. Stay with us, there will be many more interesting materials here. Goodbye.